It's steak and chips for dinner tonight. I just have to move this off the screen. It says my daughter's on the way. These are the beautiful steaks. Always take your meat out and allow it to come to room temperature before you cook it. It's not a particularly hot day today, so I'm going to leave these out. They'll probably be out for about an hour or an hour and a half. Very important. Béarnaise. In the pan, I've got boiling water. I've got a bowl sitting in the pan. I've got butter that I have melted, and you can see it's separated. The milk solids are on the bottom. When I add this, I'm just going to add the fat. If my sauce is really too thick, you can then add the milk solids. It's the milk solids that stop it being thick, which is why ideally you want to separate it out. So that's my hot butter. I've got some beautiful egg yolks which are going to go in the pan. I'm just going to get a thing so I don't waste any. Egg yolks are going in the pan. This is GASTRIQUE. I will give the recipe for the GASTRIQUE. In a very small pan, I put 4 tablespoons of of white wine vinegar with a load of tarragon, a whole shallot cut up really small, and then I bubbled it, so 4 tablespoons, and I bubbled it down to about a tablespoon. And I'm going to just put a little, and this is the thing that will flavour it and give it that lovely piquant flavour. So I'm going to put a little bit in here. Now, this is the trick that I do, is I do it with a whisk, so it's on the pan. The pan is nice and warm, and I will start whisking the yolks. I've been whisking for a couple of minutes. You can see it's getting nice and thick. If you think the pan's getting too hot, take it off the hot water. You can sort of manage this yourself. So the eggs, you can see, are sort of, it's like custard now, and that is just the eggs mixed with the GASTRIQUE, which is the flavour. And now we're going to very, very slowly pour in the butter with the motor running slowly. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing, so I'm going to pause the film. I'm going to be honest at this point, my sauce didn't work. It could have been any number of things. I think that the butter may have been too hot, and I may have poured it in too fast, so I'm just melting some more butter. I have just whisked some more eggs, and I am starting again. So I will be hopefully making a sauce in a minute. There we go. I've poured it in a jug. Okay, I'm going to stop it for a second. I can see that it's working, and I know what I did wrong last time. I just poured it way too fast. I was so keen to show it to you, so I'm going to carry on whisking it, and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, it worked this time. The lesson learnt is don't rush it. I know the lesson, I know what to do, but because I was doing this blooming filming, I rushed. So you can see it's a fantastic thick sauce. I'm going to keep it just sitting on this pan, and I'm going to cover it until we're ready to eat it. This is a load of chopped tarragon because it's a Béarnaise. And when I taste it, I'm also going to put a little pinch of cayenne pepper in a minute. And if I want more piquancy, I might put an extra little squeeze of lemon juice. So here is my beautiful thick Béarnaise.